If you're looking for a hearty and savory meal prep friendly breakfast idea, might I suggest to you these herby roasted breakfast veggies. Not only are these a great way to clear out the fridge of your veggie odds and ends, they're incredibly easy to throw together and also start your day with loads of plant-based nutrition. Switch up how you enjoy them each day with either tofu scramble, vegan sausage, or a quick delicious plant-based cheese sauce. The veggie requirements for this meal prep are pretty flexible, but I'd say as long as you have about 3 to 5 pounds of starchy and non-starchy veg, you're good to go. I used half of an aging pie pumpkin that needed to get used up real soon, so I just scrubbed it, scooped out the seeds, and cut it into chunks as you see here. Any kind of onion is a great choice as well. When you roast them up, they caramelize and become even sweeter than when they were raw. Here I'm roughly chopping up a quarter of a green cabbage, which again also roasts up nice and sweetly. Try your best to keep them in a large 1.5-inch chunks as they tend to burn faster when their layers are separated in the pan. Next, I'm using up some Yukon Gold potatoes for the starchy veg component of this meal, plus some broccoli. Now, veggies on their own can be a little bit boring, so let's make a delicious herby balsamic glaze for them to roast in. Just mince up some fresh sage, rosemary, and garlic and add it to a little bowl. You could also use any other herbs that you like. Next, we're gonna add about 4 tablespoons, aka a quarter cup of neutral tasting oil. I'm using avocado oil, but grapeseed or olive oil are fine too. Then we're gonna add the same amount of balsamic vinegar, and this is gonna make the veggies taste so good, you guys. Then add some salt to bring out those delicious aromatic flavors and a healthy sprinkling of fresh cracked black pepper. Now just whisk everything together until it's just barely starting to emulsify. This alone would be a delicious salad dressing or a bread dip. Yum! Now just evenly distribute the sauce among all your veggies, and then using your hands just toss the veggies around a bit to coat them in the sauce. Give them a nice loving little massage. Now they're ready to go in the oven and bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. When they're halfway through cooking, make sure to carefully and quickly remove them from the oven so you can give them a little toss to prevent any burning. In the meantime, you can make yourself a big batch of tofu scramble to enjoy throughout the week. Simply crumble a block of firm or extra firm tofu into a hot skillet, add a pinch of turmeric for color, plus some black pepper and garlic powder, vegan cheese shreds, and some nutritional yeast, and then stir all that together to combine. Let it cook with the lid on until the cheese is melted, and then add a little bit of black salt, aka kala namak, for a delicious eggy flavor. This is something I make at least once a week as it's delicious, filling, and really high in protein. Something else I made to go with this breakfast were these Beyond sausages, which are plant-based, convenient, and really delicious. I felt like a cheese sauce would pair really nicely with these roasted herby veggies, so I decided to whip it up. Add some canned coconut milk to a small saucepan, plus a few tablespoons of nutritional yeast for savoriness and cheesy flavor, plus some cornstarch and salt, and a little bit of smoked paprika and garlic powder for extra flavor. Then just whisk until all the ingredients have dissolved in the coconut milk, and then heat it on your stove over medium heat, whisking frequently as the sauce thickens up. This will only take about 5 minutes, so that's another thing to love about this sauce, and it is so creamy. Just look at that. Those potatoes and veggies got so nice and crispy, which is exactly how I wanted them to turn out. It could be argued that the broccoli could have cooked in just half the time, so you could always add it later if you don't like it extra crispy like I do. Be warned, your house is going to smell like heaven while these are all cooking. One of my favorite veggies here are those crispy mushrooms, and man, those just look like perfection to me. These veggies will feed one person for probably 4 breakfasts and a couple for 2, depending on what kind of meals you decide to make. This meal prep recipe could also totally be great for lunch as well. Consider adding a cooked grain like rice or quinoa and serving the veggies over some greens with air-fried tofu, or even another protein as simple as canned chickpeas. It's all about just using what you have. On this morning, I really enjoyed pairing up the roasted veggies with the Beyond sausage and some tofu scramble with some spinach added to it. Plus, that delicious cheese sauce was absolutely chef's kiss. Totally just brought everything together and hardly took any effort at all. The recipe for that plus all the other things made in this video will be in the video description below for you guys, so do make sure you check them all out. Good early, mid, late morning to you. Yes, that is a measurement of time that I just came up with. Well, that was a labor of love, I will say. But love indeed, it tastes like love. Basically, if you wanted to do the same thing that I just did by meal prepping a whole bunch of veggies and protein for like breakfast in the morning, this is a great autumn cold weather breakfast meal prep. You can use really any kind of vegetable or starch you want. Like I use potato for my starch. You can use sweet potato. I used up a pumpkin that was getting a little bit old for some non-starchy veg. You know, you could use cauliflower instead of broccoli. You could use bell peppers. You could use zucchini. Basically any kind of vegetable that you have in your fridge that needs to get used up, just toss it on a sheet pan or a few if you're gonna make a big batch like me, and just season it however you want and roast it. There is nothing wrong with eating roasted veggies for breakfast. I think it's such a great and easy way to incorporate more veggies into your everyday, and also just saving you time throughout the week. So you can just prep this on a Sunday or whatever day of the week you have free. Takes you an hour and a bit, and you know, you can also meal prep some tofu scramble, which I have a recipe below for you to check out, or if you want to use something that's a little easier like these Beyond sausages or any other kind of plant-based meat that's out there, like just take advantage of what's available to you and like what is simple. So anyway, this is so good. Like that cheese sauce, oh my gosh, I'm so glad I decided to make that. And it just makes everything taste so good. It's like rich tasting, but you know, using really simple ingredients, and it didn't take very long to make at all, and it just totally leveled up my breakfast. Wow. Oh, that is going down good. I love fall food.